the front of the Angel of Annunciation from St.George-Kurbinovo. Wide misunderstanding between measurement, tetractys, and Pythagorean key. For the chords, the sacraments behind the gates, semicircles silence the obsessed you are between the stone and the inspiration. And who is she or he before which you mysteriously bow down like indifference before the temptation, the cosmos between three angles to frame? And that not sad nor happy face is the reason I recall Modigliani's name. Or is the palms unrealistically long, and there's a one that awaits empty? Do you grasp with them someone's pronounced silence in the condensed denote breath, solstice, stone bliss, tetractys, and deep blue towards up, alluringly tempting, towards the far long ago sad with a move, sweet and lightning, you bring back the cognized forgotten from time cycling stop in the hour of doubt, theodicy, deception and lusting between the strict Armenia and the eager urging between hope and fear, you sprayed a mom-ho. In the room, the woman come and go, talking of Michelangelo. Wide misunderstanding. Wide misunderstanding between measurements, solstice, stone bliss, tetractys, Eric Satie and Gymnopedes, rosy cross behind the canon, Gnosis through the dream past town, and Gabriel's handbang cryptogram of the tetragrammaton has hidden and itself hide, everything to hide, and shush. Shush, the drapes lament, threefold shapes, like a strange omen engraved on the head cornerstone. Wide misunderstanding between measurements. Shush, Gabriel, shush. The drapes lament, on the right shoulder the level and the plumb, on the left the compass concealed from silence to polyphony, only for the rear unknown and revealed. Recognize signs that sprayed over from the visible, the seed of the absolute, to a nonsense crystallized in the notion of order.